For centuries, our money has lived inside big, centralized banks. We send it, save it, borrow it. But what really goes fissers? Imagine a financial system built entirely on transparent code, managed by no one, accessible to everyone.
At its heart, DeFi runs on blockchain technology, a secure, transparent, and immutable public ledger.
DeFi's magic lies in smart contracts. These are automated agreements coded directly onto the blockchain that execute. Traditional finance relies on trusting institutions. DeFi, however, relies on trusting verifiable code. Its transparency means anyone can inspect the rules. One of DeFi's biggest draws is lending and borrowing. You can lend your crypto to earn interest, or borrow funds.
Decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, allow you to trade cryptocurrencies directly with other users. Liquidity pools make these swaps fast and efficient, cutting out centralized brokers. In the volatile world of crypto, stablecoins offer a safe haven. They're digital assets designed to maintain a stable value, usually pegged to currencies like the US dollar. You can even earn passive income in DeFi. Yield farming involves lending assets to earn rewards, while staking locks up your crypto to support a network, earning interest.
DeFi offers unparalleled accessibility. Anyone with an internet connection and a crypto wallet can access these financial services.
By cutting out intermediaries, DeFi can offer significantly lower fees and faster transaction times compared to traditional banking. DeFi is a hotbed of innovation. Its open-source nature allows developers worldwide to DeFi represents a bold step towards a more open, inclusive, and efficient global financial system.
Ready to explore DeFi? Start with solid research. Use a secure crypto wallet, understand the risks, and begin with small amounts.